Number 4. PRUVEEO D90-4CH Dash Cam. There are countless dash cams out there, but the PRUVEEO D90-4CH Dash Cam is in a league of its own. Imagine capturing every angle, front, rear, left, and right, at the same time in stunning 1080p HD. It's like having 4 eyes on the road, leaving no blind spots and ensuring total protection for your car. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just a road trip enthusiast, this dash cam gives you complete peace of mind. The built-in GPS logs your exact location and speed, so you can track your journey in real time, down to the last mile. With time-lapse recording in parking mode, it compresses hours into minutes, saving memory and capturing any suspicious activity with ease. Plus, its night vision feature, powered by an f1.8 aperture and infrared lights, means crystal clear footage, even in pitch-black conditions. And the cherry on top? Built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing videos or reviewing footage on your phone effortless. No need to fuss with complicated setups either. This dash cam installs easily and operates without a battery, ensuring it won't overheat or fail in extreme temperatures. The PRUVEEO dash cam is your ultimate driving assistant, always watching when you can't.